People who are arranging this GoFundMe page are nothing but scammers. You must be aware of who you are being approached by.
No lie. If we're gonna go with the scammers, he's talking about insurance. Go after the insurance companies too. If you're gonna talk about the scammers, you need to talk about these insurance companies that decided to say, okay, 1,600 or 1,100, however many thousands of people who had coverage and said, you know what, we're not gonna cover fire. We know about the wildfires. We know about the water drought. We know about all these things that happen in California. The same insurance companies like State Farm or whoever, they're in these communities, but they can't provide the coverage for the natural disaster they're trying to cover. Why are you operating in two of the largest states, or even California being one of the largest states in the country, and you're not able to provide coverage people are paying for? Why will people pay for coverage that doesn't include fire? Why will people in Florida pay for coverage that doesn't include flood and tornadoes or anything else? It's like the insurance entire industry is a scam, right? They have insurance, then they have reinsurance for the insurance, and the underwriters get reinsurance for the reinsurance. There's money out there. There are billions of dollars of money out there, and you're making people pay these premiums, and you can't even rebuild half of the home that they had. Because even the base price, I think the average house in Palisades was maybe $3.5 million. So you mean out of those $3.5 million, damn, everyone want to text when I'm on the stream. Oh, my dog. It makes sense why the insurance gets out as if they're not a scam too. This is why the scammers hit the insurance and the GoFundMes, because they need some inspiration. It's like, listen, they know that they're paying into a system and say, you know what, I'm gonna pay my insurance every day or every month for 3 or 4 years. I never file a claim, but the one time I file a claim, I still have a $5,000, $10,000 deductible. You don't even take credit. Oh yeah, you paid it, but this year, whatever, right? Insurance is one of the biggest scams. It's one of those get protected if anything ever happens, but pay into it. And if you ever need this money back, you're never gonna get it. And when we decide to say, okay, cool, you have been paying for it, guess what we're not gonna cover? If you're paying for insurance, it should cover every damn thing, right? And this is why people get into these conversations about healthcare and everything else. But let's get back into this. We're on the live stream. I appreciate everybody tapping in.